Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making tomato soup. For this we need butter, ginger, black pepper powder, garlic, sugar, salt to taste, chopped tomato. So take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter, let butter melt. Now add ½ inch very finely chopped ginger, 3 to 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic, add 400 grams of chopped tomato, let tomato cook for a while. Now add little sugar, ½ teaspoon of sugar, mix it. Now add 300 ml of water, let it boil. So our soup is boiling. Now let it cool down, transfer it into a blender, blend it. Now again transfer into same pan, add little salt, add cornstarch, dissolve in normal water for the thickness of the soup, mix it and cook it for another 1 minute. Now add black pepper powder, gently stir it, and your delicious tomato soup is ready. So try tomato soup at home. Thank you.